Today I'm going to be showing you how to rename a drive label in Windows 10. It's a specific 32 maximum character name given to different disks or drives on your computer. So in this tutorial I'll be showing how to change any name. Please know you have to be signed in as administrator in order to do this, and you can also not have two drives with the same name. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by heading over to our search menu, and we're going to type in this PC. Should be listed right above a desktop app, so you want to left click on that. Now select the drive that you want to change the label for, and then you want to right click on it and then left click on rename, and you can name it whatever you want. It just has to be a maximum of 32 characters. And please note, like I said before, you have to have administrator privileges. So click on continue. And you can see we just changed the label name of our drive. So this could be especially useful if you have multiple drives on your computer, different partitions, and you would like to set up unique names for them. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.